Hello everyone, welcome back to Francis Kitchen. Today we'll be making ogbono soup. Welcome back to my channel. Please make sure you stay glued and watch this video to the end. Let me introduce my ingredients. In a plate I have already washed and squeezed onugbu. Here is red oil. In another plate I have onion cubes, salt and pepper. This is my crayfish. Then I have a fish, a whole fish, and then this is cow skin, and in a plate I have the obono itself. The last here is stockfish and dried fish. This is the list of everything I'll be needing for this very recipe. So guys, come and cook this with me. In a clean pot, I transferred the cow skin, added pepper, onion, salt, and seasoning cubes. Okay, so I'll leave it here to cook on its own. I'll cover it and allow it to cook. I will be grilling the fresh fish, so I've washed it, I've sliced it perfectly into my preferred size. Then I'll season it out here, then add it into the oven. The meat has been cooking for some time now, so I've added enough water to it so that it will cook and get soft so well. Then I'll be throwing in the stockfish and the dried fish now. Okay, make sure you stir it very well so that everything will mix up properly. Next, I will add in my crayfish to the soup. After cooking for a while, I transferred this into another bowl. Okay, so I'll be using this pot to mix my ogbono. Okay, so I'll add red oil to the pot. Adding the ogbono into the red oil and mix it so well so there wouldn't be lumps in the soup. Okay, you have to mix the ogbono so well so that it will not leave lumps. Okay, it will come out so slimy and stretchy, you understand? Next, I'll gradually add in the stock, the new stock. Okay, I'll be adding it back into the pot gradually and be mixing as I do so. I added the remaining crayfish I preserved earlier. Pour them back all the protein, the meat, beef, and the fishes that I brought out earlier, and mix them up properly. After that, I covered the pot and allowed it to cook for some time. After some time, I checked on my soup, guys. It is looking good already. Then I brought out the fish from the oven and added them right into the soup. Okay, the fish is now dried and so cool. Stir everything so well so that everything will mix up properly. Okay, guys, look at the piece of that soup, guys. It is so stretchy, so slimy, and you know what I mean. Finally, I'll be adding my onugbu leaves. These leaves are called bitterleaf. Okay, they are bitter leaves, but they do wonders in soup. Okay, I'll be adding them right now into the soup to finalize my cooking process. Stir the soup properly so that everything will come out so perfect. The soup is finally ready, guys, and I'm so inviting all my viewers, all my subscribers, and everyone that is so dear to me to come and enjoy this ogbono soup with me, guys. I enjoyed making this soup and I enjoyed eating it. Okay, guys, what swallow will you have this soup with? Because for me, I had it with semovita. I want to use this medium and thank all my subscribers, all my viewers, and all my supporters. To everyone that has been supporting me since I started this YouTube channel, I thank you all so much. And please, if you're new here and you haven't joined this family, feel free to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new content, you'll be notified. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you all so much for staying here till this very moment. See you all in my next video, but you can check out other amazing recipes I've made on this channel, and have a blessed and wonderful day you all. Bye bye. Asama,